Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we have a Tacoma compilation for you guys to enjoy. Here's a 3rd generation Tacoma that we just installed a king suspension setup on with elevate upper control arms, did a body mount chop, a high clearance bumper cut, and some MR703s with some 285/75/17 tires. So we have this 3rd gen that we're doing a Fox setup, a 2nd gen that we're doing a Bilstein 6112 setup with elevate upper control arms, as you can see right there, and some 5160 rear shocks and our Deaver add a leaf. Here's the 2nd gen with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite setup and Dakar EL111R medium load leaf pack. Here's a closer look at the 3rd gen on the 6112 and elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. This one's rocking the MR305s in double black with a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3 tire. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us, no worries. Still want to take advantage of our deals? Check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have a ton of lift packages, wheels, and accessories for your overland or off-road rig. Over to the 2nd gen with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite series. We've installed it already in the back here with the Dakar EL111R leaf pack. The front is adjusted to about 3 inches of lift, and we're running the Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. We installed some 16-inch wheels that the customer brought in, along with some 285/75/16 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3s that we provided. Next up, we have this beautiful bronze oxide 4th generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one is going with the Baja Design's preload collar lift setup. We have another 3rd gen Tacoma here that we just installed a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shock setup with Camburg tubular extra and upper control arms and a Deaver add a leaf. Wheels and tires on here are the TRD Pro in a 17x7 plus 4 offset with some 285/70/17 KO3 tires. Bronze oxide taco is on some KMC IMS in machine silver. When you want the best of the best, you'd probably go with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series DSC Evo. This one here is a 4th generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road that we installed that on with some Camburg Kinetik Series billet uniball upper control arms. Also rocking some Method NVs on here in a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset on some 285/75/17 tires. Can't get enough of the 3rd gens? Neither can we. Here's another one on a Bilstein 6112 setup, Camburg tubular extra and upper control arms, 5160 rear shocks, and a Dakar EL111R leaf pack to hold up the heavy load. Here we have an underground gray 4th generation Tacoma that we just installed a Baja Design's preload collar lift setup, KMC IMS 17x8.5 with a +25 offset with some 285/75/17 needle ridge grapplers. How did this happen? Here's a Lunar Rock Cybertruck that snuck into this Tacoma video. While the guys are working on that Cybertruck, we're going to bring out this 4th generation underground gray Tacoma. Once again lifted 2.5 inches with a Baja Design's preload collar lift setup. Bilstein 6112 and 5160 setup has been installed on this taco. We're going to bring it down now, do a quick alignment on it, and take it out for a quick test drive. You want to get into the hobby? Do some off-roading and overlanding without breaking the bank? Here's a good setup for some mild off-roading with this Bilstein 5100 setup, OME lift springs, Deaver add leaf system, and usually we pair it up with the Elevate Chromoly ball joint upper control arms. For the new wheels and tires on this one, we went with some Feel Shock wheels in a bronze finish, 17x9 with the +1 offset. We wrapped it up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO3 tire. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And if you want to see more than just what we have here on YouTube, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have the second generation Tacoma with super low mileage and ready for a suspension refresh. We're going with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series DSC with Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms, and we're running a Dakar EL111R leaf pack in the back. The wheels and tires on this one, we went with the RRW RR7V wheels with the matte black face and gloss black simulated beadlock ring. This is a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset that we wrapped in a 285/75/17 Nito Ridge Grappler. We did a body mount chop to make sure this one clears with no rubbing whatsoever. Want a set of RRW for your truck? We have a ton of these in stock and ready to rock. We'll give you $100 off a set of 4 if you use promo code YouTube at checkout at 88rotorsoffroad.com. That's YOUTUBE as the promo code. And this is pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. We hope you guys have a good one. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.